Welcome to the UAE Drones for Good Award.
It's really nice. We exchanged a lot with the teams around us.
It's an interesting challenge, isn't it? Because they all have a lot of technology they want to tell you about, and they have 5 minutes, right?
We are enjoying.
Are we proud that it's in our country? It's in UAE and Dubai especially.
We're optimistic. We want to do our best and go for all. So
The other competitors are very strong, and I'm just grateful that I have the ability to be ranked against them.
We are honored now to be joined by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and the ruler of Dubai.
Really proud for having been selected, but we're also excited that the UAE is finally recognizing the potential of data transmission drones.
What's pride ourselves is to be part of the event in order to challenge ourselves with the type of application that can be used to make use of such technology.
This time we gave everything we had, and like during the qualification, we gave everything for the final, and we were very confident, yeah.